What's the pros of installed Toyota wheel spacers? When shopping for Toyota 6-lug wheel spacers for daily driving or off-roading use, it is important to check what size are best. The combination of wheel spacers, tires, ride height, and alignment settings all affect the vehicle's stance and handling. The Toyota wheel spacers can significantly influence your vehicle's appearance, stability, and off-roading performance. By increasing the track width, these Toyota wheel spacers can improve handling, especially when cornering. The wheels sit further away, which provides better stability and rollover resistance. You can achieve such a purpose without replacing the stock wheels and tires.
Spacers are not just for looks. They're critical if you are running larger tires without upgrading to aftermarket wheels. By providing a more even distribution of weight across the wheel assembly, hub-central spacers can reduce the stress placed on individual components, such as the wheel bearings and suspension. This can increase the durability of components and reduce the risk of accidents and breakdowns. Good hub-centric wheel spacers are designed for the racetrack that needs specific local requirements. BONOSS Forged active cooling wheel spacers come with multi-stage hub-central rings. This hub-central metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers perfectly fit the corresponding hub bed. This design is effective in eliminating the vibration of the wheels. These BONOSS Forged active cooling wheel spacers are vehicle-specific. This means they're made according to your vehicle specification, so you are worry-free about vibration issue. Choosing the right wheel spacer involves careful consideration of material quality, thickness, compatibility with your vehicle. High-quality wheel spacer can improve the driving experience by enhancing handling, stability, and appearance.